Match the following definite integrals in column 1 with their corresponding values in column 2 and choose the correct option from the codes given below. The first one, 0 to pi by 4, 2 secant square x plus x power 3 plus 2 dx, which is equal to 2 times of integration of secant square x is tan x from 0 to pi by 4. Integration of x power 3 is x power 4 by 4 from 0 to pi by 4, and 2x from 0 to pi by 4. On substituting the limits, 2 times of tan pi by 4 is 1 minus tan 0 is 0, and here pi by 4 whole to the power of 4, that is pi power 4 by 4 to the power of 5 you will get, that is 2 to the power of, let me write 4 to the power 5 minus 0 plus 2 into pi by 4, so which is equal to 2 plus pi power 4 divided by 4 power 5 is 2 power 10, 2 power 10 is 1024 plus pi by 2, so which is option 4. So for the first one we can go with an option 4. And coming to the second, b1, integration 0 to pi sin square x by 2 minus cos square x by 2 dx, which is equal to integration 0 to pi cos square theta minus sin square theta is cos 2 theta, so we can write this as a cos square sin square x by 2 minus cos square x by 2 is minus cos 2 into x by 2, that is cos x dx, which is equal to integration of cos x is sin x, so minus sin x from 0 to pi, so minus of sin pi is 0 and again sin 0 0, so this is 0, so we can go with an option 1. b1 we can go with an option 1, and c, integration 0 to 2 6x plus 3 upon x square plus 4 dx, which is equal to integration 0 to 2, we can add 6x upon x square plus 4 plus integration 0 to 2 3 upon x square plus 4 dx, and in the first integral I can substitute x square plus 4 is equal to t. So in the first integral I can write x square plus 4 is equal to t, so that we'll have 2x dx is equal to dt. So we can write as 3 times of 2x dx is dt divided by t, integration when x is equal to 0 t is equal to 4, when x is equal to 2 t is equal to 8, so from 8 to 4 to 8 3 dt upon t plus, and this is the 3 times of integration 1 upon x square plus 2 square, this is 1 by, so we can write 1 upon a, that is 1 upon 2 tan inverse of x by a, that is tan inverse of x by 2 from 0 to 2, so this is 3 upon t, that is 3 log t from 4 to 8 plus 3 by 2 times of tan inverse of 2 upon 2, that is 1 minus tan inverse of 0, so which is equal to 3 times of log 8 minus log 4, that is log 8 by 4, that is log 2, 3 times log 2 plus 3 upon 2 tan inverse of 1 is pi by 4, and again tan inverse of 0 is 0, so finally we can give 3 log 2 plus 3 pi by 8, so this is an option 3 log 2 plus 3 pi by 8 is second option, so we can go with the c1 is second option. And coming to fourth one, d 0 to 1 x e power x plus sin pi x by 4, x e power x plus sin pi x by 4 dx from 0 to pi. So this is 0 to 1. So which equals to integration 0 to 1 x e power x dx plus integration 0 to 1 sine pi x by 4 dx. So which equals to integration of x e power x is x e power x minus e power x from 0 to 1, and again integration of this is minus cos pi x by 4 divided by pi by 4 from 0 to 1, which is equal to, so applying the limits here, 1 e power 1 minus e power 1 minus 0 into e power 0 minus e power 0 is 1, and again plus here plus cos of, that is minus, plus 4 by pi times of, or you can write minus 4 by pi times of cos pi by 4 minus cos 0, so which equals to, so e minus e is 0 and minus of minus 1 plus 1, and this is a minus 4 by pi, cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, and again minus of minus plus cos 0 is 1 times of 4 by pi, so this is 1, this 4 by root 2 we cannot multiplying and divide with root 2, so this is a 2 root 2 minus 2 root 2 divided by pi plus 4 by pi, so we can go with an option, third option.